Welcome! In front of me I have Haylou RS4 watch, and I'm gonna show you how to enable the phone notifications for this watch on the Android phone. So basically, if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on the watch. Before we start, if you want to enable the phone notifications on this watch, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the Haylou Phone application. Once the devices are paired, we can continue. And now we can open the Haylou Phone application on the phone that is paired with our watch. In the app, tap on the Me icon to open the profile page. Now select your Haylou RS4 from the list of devices. And here, scroll down, find the option called Message Notice and tap on it. And as you can see, we need a couple permissions. We need to allow some permissions for the notifications to work. So let's tap on Enable. This will redirect us to the notification access page. Here, find the Haylou Phone application on the list. Tap on it, tap on the switch, tap on Allow, and then you can tap on the back button to go back to the app. And once you allow the notification access, you should see the message notice menu, and as you can see, the notifications are enabled now automatically, but you can enable or disable them by tapping on the switch right here. Also, if you enable the notifications, you might get a couple more pop-ups about the permissions. You need to allow them for them to work. Okay, so once you enable the notifications as the whole thing, you should see the list of apps right here. Basically, this is the list of apps installed on your phone, and you can allow or deny, or rather turn on or turn off the notifications for specific apps on your phone. So for example, if you don't want to receive the notifications from the Chrome on your watch, you can disable it and you won't receive them. I'm gonna make sure that the Discord notifications are enabled, and once I'm done, I'm gonna tap on Complete to save the settings. And now we should be able to receive the notifications on our watch. So I'm gonna send myself a message on Discord. As you can see, we got the message on our phone, and we also got it on our watch. And if you miss the notification on your watch, you can always wake up the screen on it and swipe up from the bottom of the screen. No, it was up. So okay, so it was swipe up and then tap on this message icon right here to open the notifications menu. Yeah, that's how you do it. And if you want to clear the notifications, you can tap on the pen icon right here to clear them all, like this. Okay, and that's how you enable the phone notifications for this watch on the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.